Your stomach growls in the afternoon, yet it's not your stomach that tells you you're hungry. Instead, it's a hormone called ghrelin, often dubbed the hunger hormone. Secreted from your stomach lining, ghrelin travels through your bloodstream to your brain, specifically the hypothalamus, the control center for hunger. Here, ghrelin acts like a key, unlocking the neural pathways that signal hunger. In a 2020 study, researchers discovered that ghrelin levels surge right before a meal, orchestrating an intricate dance between your brain and gut. This rhythmic release ensures you eat at regular intervals, a survival mechanism honed over millennia. But why does your body have this hunger system at all? It turns out that hunger is more than just a call for calories. It's a finely tuned system balancing energy intake and expenditure. Inside you, about 37.2 trillion cells demand constant energy, primarily in the form of glucose. Without it, cell function falters, impacting everything from muscle contractions to brain activity. So when energy levels dip, your ghrelin levels rise, pushing you to seek nourishment. This process prevents energy shortages, allowing you to think, move, and grow, a critical function for survival. The mystery deepens when considering how this hunger signaling adapts to your lifestyle. If you skip breakfast regularly, your body adjusts, altering ghrelin's release times. Your internal clock or circadian rhythm collaborates with ghrelin to customize hunger signals based on habits. A 2018 study in cell metabolism revealed this adaptation, showing how night shift workers experience hunger at unusual times, aligning with their work hours. This flexibility ensures that, regardless of lifestyle, your body continues to efficiently regulate energy intake. This interplay highlights a surprising adaptability within your metabolic processes. What happens in your brain when hunger signals arrive? The hypothalamus, a small, almond-sized region, becomes a hub of activity. Ghrelin activates neurons here, prompting the release of neuropeptides, molecules that drive hunger. One of these, neuropeptide Y, is among the most potent appetite stimulants. Research from 2019 demonstrates how this neuropeptide not only increases food-seeking behavior but also raises the appeal of high-calorie foods. This mechanism ensures you consume energy-rich foods, critical when food was scarce. Now, it can complicate dieting efforts, revealing an evolutionary trait at work. Your body doesn't just rely on ghrelin to signal hunger. Other signals like low blood sugar also trigger hunger responses. When blood glucose levels drop, specialized cells in your pancreas detect this change. These cells release glucagon, another hormone that signals your liver to convert stored glycogen into glucose, temporarily satiating the demand. This signal reaches your brain, supplementing the ghrelin message, ensuring a multi-layered hunger response. A 2021 study in the Journal of Endocrinology explained how this redundancy ensures that even if one signal fails, others maintain the energy balance. Deep within your stomach, specialized cells called enteroendocrine cells play a pivotal role in hunger regulation. These cells sense nutrient levels and mechanical stretching of the stomach wall. When empty, they release ghrelin into your bloodstream. This hormone crosses the blood-brain barrier, a protective filter that shields your brain from harmful substances, to reach the hypothalamus. There, ghrelin binds to receptors on neurons, activating them with a precision likened to a lock and key. This binding triggers a cascade of events, releasing neuropeptides that heighten your sense of hunger and readiness to eat. But ghrelin isn't acting alone. It partners with the vagus nerve, a critical nerve that connects your gut and brain. This nerve acts as a superhighway for signals, transmitting information about your stomach's fullness and nutrient content. As ghrelin levels rise, the vagus nerve sends complementary signals to the brain, reinforcing the hunger message. A 2019 study in the journal Neuron highlighted how this nerve's activity increases before meals. This synchronized signaling ensures that your brain receives a comprehensive overview of your body's energy status, enhancing its ability to regulate hunger and satiety. Inside your brain, ghrelin's journey continues as it influences the dopaminergic system, which governs pleasure and reward. This system's activation makes eating not just a necessity but a rewarding experience. Dopamine release increases in anticipation of food, enhancing motivation to seek out meals. A 2022 article in Nature Neuroscience revealed how ghrelin boosts this system's sensitivity, highlighting the pleasure of eating. This mechanism is crucial, ensuring that you pursue food, an essential survival behavior. It bridges the gap between physiological need and psychological reward, driving consistent feeding habits. The role of ghrelin extends beyond hunger signaling. It also affects your body's metabolism, influencing how you utilize energy. When ghrelin binds to its receptors in the hypothalamus, it not only promotes hunger but also reduces energy expenditure. This dual action conserves energy when resources are low, ensuring your body maintains essential functions. A 2020 study published in Metabolism demonstrated that ghrelin signals can decrease thermogenesis, the process of heat production, by reducing fat breakdown. This insight reveals how your body strategizes to preserve energy, highlighting a sophisticated balance between intake and conservation. Another layer of complexity emerges with the interaction between ghrelin and insulin, a hormone central to glucose regulation. After eating, insulin levels rise, counteracting ghrelin's hunger signals. Insulin promotes the uptake of glucose into cells, reducing blood sugar levels. This process provides feedback to the hypothalamus, indicating that energy intake has occurred. A 2021 study in the Journal of Clinical Investigation found that insulin's action can suppress ghrelin's effects, reducing hunger post-meal. This elegant feedback loop demonstrates how hormones balance each other, ensuring that hunger and energy storage remain harmonized within your body. When the hunger system falters, as in Prader-Willi syndrome, the consequences highlight its precision. This genetic disorder, affecting 1 in 15,000 people, disrupts the balance of ghrelin production. Individuals with this condition experience insatiable hunger and can overeat to dangerous levels. In 2018, researchers found that ghrelin levels in these patients are abnormally high, even after eating. This unrelenting hunger underscores the critical role that regulating hormones play in maintaining healthy eating habits. Such conditions illustrate the delicate balance of hunger signaling and how even small disruptions can lead to significant challenges in energy management. Extreme fasting presents another challenge to your body's hunger system. After 72 hours without food, ghrelin levels peak, intensifying hunger signals. Yet paradoxically, some people report decreased hunger after prolonged fasting. A 2021 study in Cell Reports revealed that ketone bodies produced from fat during fasting can inhibit ghrelin's effects, reducing appetite. This adaptation showcases your body's ability to shift energy sources, prioritizing survival over immediate hunger. It highlights an intriguing flexibility in your metabolic pathways, demonstrating how your body can recalibrate under the stress of extended fasting. Stress can dramatically alter your hunger signals, often leading to stress-induced eating. During stress, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can increase appetite and cravings. Cortisol interacts with ghrelin, amplifying its effects and intensifying hunger. A 2019 study in psychoneuroendocrinology found that cortisol can increase ghrelin receptor sensitivity in the brain. This heightened sensitivity means that during stress, your hunger signals are more pronounced, driving you towards high-calorie comfort foods. This response reflects an ancient survival mechanism, priming your body to consume energy-rich food during perceived threats. In rare cases, the absence of hunger can reveal the system's complexity. A rare genetic mutation discovered in 2017 prevents some individuals from experiencing hunger. This mutation affects the MC4R gene, critical for transmitting hunger signals in the brain. Those with this mutation report never feeling hungry, even when energy deprived. Studying these individuals provides insights into hunger's molecular pathways, highlighting how specific genes influence appetite. This discovery underscores the importance of genetic factors in regulating hunger, revealing a layer of complexity in the hunger signaling network. Finally, consider this: your body's hunger signals aren't just about food intake. A 2020 study in Nature Communications revealed that ghrelin can enhance memory retention and learning. This hormone, associated with hunger, also stimulates neurons in the hippocampus, the brain's memory center. This link suggests that hunger signals may prime your brain for optimal learning states. It's a compelling reminder that hunger is intricately connected to numerous bodily functions beyond eating. This revelation reframes our understanding of hunger from a mere call for nourishment to a key player in cognitive processes.